Thank you for choosing kawaii-esim. This video introduces the steps to use an eSIM on your iPhone. This setup is necessary before you travel. For settings after your travel, please watch the roaming APN settings video. Hey there, my name is Madoka-chan and I'll be your guide. Before you buy, there are some things to check first. Your device must be eSIM compatible. The SIM lock must be removed. Please confirm the following before setting up your device. Please set it up before traveling abroad. An internet connection is required for setting up. QR code must be displayed on another device or printed on paper to be used. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Check device if it's eSIM compatible. To check if your device supports eSIM, dial *#06# and press call. If an EID number is displayed, your device is compatible. If no EID number is displayed, please check the list of supported devices. Step 2. Add eSIM. In Settings, go to Cellular. Step 3. Select Add eSIM. Step 4. Select Use QR code. Step 5.1. Reading the QR code. Scan the QR code. Step 5.2. If the camera is broken, another device is unavailable, or you couldn't print it out in time. Select Enter details manually. Enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code from the email sent by kawaii-esim. Step 6. Activate eSIM. Select Continue. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a few minutes. Step 7. Select a default line. Select Primary and then Continue. Travel might be labeled as Work or Secondary instead. Step 8. Activation completed. If a new eSIM is turned on separately from your primary line, you're ready to go. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching!